Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag SQL Server DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how create a UDL file and universal data link file for SQL Server database connectivity test. So we'll create a file that I will provide the extension for UDL, and I will just connect the database server with that, and I will test the connection. So this is the frequently used for the database connectivity with the SQL Server for the remote server. So now follow the video. So here first check with the your database is running or not. So I am running my database SQL Server database in Linux, and that is Ubuntu. So here I will check the database. So better to open this one in putty. So I am just checking my IP address, that is a 192.168.32.146. I'll open this link to my putty. So 168.132.146. So this is my username and password is I'm putting admin@123. That is my default password. While installing, I have given. So as per your requirement, you given the password, username, password. So same thing you will do. So this I'm just changing the setting and increasing the size. So go to the appearance, 18. It looks better. So this is my page. Now I'll check the SQL Server status. So system CTL status MS SQL Server. So SQL Server is running. Let me check the connection and UFW status. So my Ubuntu firewall is inactive. Okay. So now I'll create the UDL file and test. So right click on your remote server, means 146 is a different server from here, and just always try to check with the ping 192.168.32.146. this is able to access with that. So here I will right click, I will just create one text file, that is on, I am giving the name UDL. So this is still in text file. So go to your view and check that option, view, and uncheck this one. So I want to see the extension. So remove the .txt. Your file extension should be UDL. So see, there is a connection, looks like a connection. So file should be looks like this. So double click on that. So here I will put the server name. If you are testing with the localhost, then localhost, or always we try to check connection for the remote server. So 192.168.32.146 is my server, and I am using the username password. So SA and password admin@123. I am using that, and just check the test connection. So test connection is succeeded, means you are able to access the particular database server. Here you can check your list of the databases will be visible here. Okay. So like this we can check. So in this video we have learned how to create the UDL file and the universal data link file, and for the SQL Server database connectivity. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you.